Hello everyone and welcome to today's video. Today's video is going to be about how to log into Expedia website step by step. The first and foremost thing that you must do is open up Google Chrome or browser of your choice on your device, and then in the search bar you can simply type in Expedia and then hit go or enter on your keyboard. Tap on the first link saying expedia.com, after which tap on the little profile icon at the top right of your screen and then hit sign in. Here you must enter your email address, or you can continue with Google or your Apple account. For now we're going to be continuing with our email address. Enter your email address, hit continue, after which you'll be getting a code on your email. For that, open the Gmail app on your device, head over to the Gmail app, open the Gmail app on your device, and then tap on the email sent by booking.com. Zoom in, and then tap on the email sent by Expedia. Long press on the code sent by Expedia, hit copy, head back over to Expedia's website, long press and paste the code. After that, hit continue. Here you must enter your first name and your last name. If you have set up autofill, it will automatically fill it for you, or else you'll have to fill it manually. After that, you'll have to enter your country, your mobile number, or you can skip it for now. Your account has been successfully created. Now you can continue to explore Expedia. For any further questions, please feel free to leave a comment down below.